Hey friends, how to uninstall ch340 driver, Arduino driver. So first of all, open File Explorer. Just click on C drive. Here you can see. Now click on wch.cn folder. Now open ch341. Here you can see the setup option. Just click on it. If your key is not showing this folder, so how can you fix it? First of all, open your Chrome browser and just type here ch340 driver and just click on this first link. Now scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the download option, Windows ch340 driver. Just click on it. After finishing the download, simple extract this file. Here you can see the ch340 installer. Simple right click on it, and click on extract here option. After extracting this file, here you can see the ch340 installer. Just double click on it